Hey guys, in today's video we're going to explore YouTube SEO. What is SEO? Well, it is search engine optimization. And we're going to explore how YouTube SEO works and how you can utilize it for your videos. I'm actually going to go into my own account and we're going to show you exactly how to optimize your videos for success. SEO just means search engine optimization, meaning it's linked to Google. And whenever a viewer that is looking for your specific niche is going to look for something, they're going to type in that specific keyword. And when they type in that keyword, you want to be sure that your video pops up for the best success and best viewability. So when we're going into this, we're going to show you exactly how to find keywords, especially using ChatGPT 3. And we're going to show you exactly how to actually utilize the algorithm for your success. And make sure to go into the link in the description. We do have an accelerator course which gives you one-on-one coaching with me and shows you exactly how to optimize your videos for success. We get you to the first page on YouTube, so make sure to check that out if you are interested. And with that said, let's jump into the videos, guys. So you might be watching this in the year 2024 by the time this video actually optimizes, and I'm actually going to show you how to utilize ChatGPT 3, and we're going to actually utilize it for keyword research. Now, I highly recommend using ChatGPT 4. I specifically used 4, which is the paid premium option, but you can also use 3 as well. To actually use as your virtual assistant for search engine optimization. And we're going to actually ask it how to optimize your YouTube channel. Now, I highly recommend using the prompts that I'm going to give to you to actually find the right solution for you with ChatGPT 4. And the reason why I highly encourage this is because this actually speeds up the process when it comes to creating an optimized YouTube channel and optimized YouTube videos. So the first thing that we want to do is you want to go to your ChatGPT 3. In my case, I'm using ChatGPT 4, and you want to ask it, what are the best ways to optimize my YouTube channel with SEO? And then basically it'll give you that. You could also put your own channel too. I didn't actually put my channel on this, but I put it just a general kind of question. And what it's saying is to optimize your YouTube channel for SEO, search engine optimization, evolves in a range of strategies to increase your visibility and engage. Here are some effective ways to do so. So, keyword research. Identify popular related keywords to your content. Utilize different tools such as keyword planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ. vidIQ is the one that I actually utilize for keyword research. Then you have to have engaging titles and thumbnails. So having compelling titles and thumbnails is a very good way to optimize your video. You don't want to just have it as the keyword, because if you have it as a keyword, it will not rank. It will not rank. You need to actually find a way to, optimize your titles in a way where they are going to be compelling. And then next, we have optimize your video description. This is very important, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly using ChatGPT 3. You don't actually have to be the best copywriter in the world. However, it's very important that you optimize your description. I can't emphasize this enough, because your description is essentially like writing an article on a blog, right? If you write an article on a blog, you're going to have keywords that are attached to that blog. So you want to have the right keywords that are in the blog to help boost the SEO juice in there. And the next thing is you want to have high quality content. high quality content is key when it comes to creating a YouTube video, because if you have low quality content, nobody's really going to watch it and you're not going to have a very good duration time. So high quality content is extremely important when you're creating your videos. The next thing you want to do is you want to have high quality high quality schedule as well. So your schedule needs to be consistent. Your schedule needs to be on time, and if you continue to post on a regular basis, most people post 2 to 3 times per week, which is fine. But if you post on a daily basis, you're more than likely to beat out your competition. Now, you don't have to have the best quality videos, and I know that I said that you have to have quality content, but you don't have to have all of your videos top quality. As long as you're just putting out videos, really, and then you have 2 that are high quality videos, you're gonna rank for at least one of those videos. Take, for example, this video where I have the bubble right here and I'm just talking to the camera. That is acceptable for actually ranking your videos, because you want to have something that is engaging as well as high quality value. You can also utilize different video editors and video creators, such as there's an AI one called video.ai, and that one actually creates AI utilized faceless videos. I'll have a link in the description for you if you want to check that one out. There's a few others, and if you want to explore more on that, I will actually have a link in the description. You can check those ones out. They're basically AI video creators that create the videos for you without having to show your face if you want to go that route. The next thing is, you want to have a playlist, right? So if you have the right playlist right here, you're going to have a better chance of having your channel organized for your viewers. If your viewers are looking for a specific niche, it's very important to have the right playlist in order so your viewers know what to look for. And you want to engage with your audience. So responding to content, responding to the comments in your videos is very important, right? If you respond to the comments in your videos, you're more engaged with your audience, and you're more talking to your audience. You build that relationship with your audience, so that's very important. The next is you want to promote your videos to other platforms. So you want to go to video blogs. You want to go to different. I highly recommend going to Reddit and going to Reddit communities, because if you go to specific communities, as long as you're following the guidelines, you can post your videos on there as a value point. So let's say you like lions, for instance, and you want to post, you have a channel about lions, for example. You can find a Reddit that is into lions, and post your video in there, and you're more than likely to get viewership and subscribers from that specific Reddit just from posting your content there. The next thing you want to focus on is you want to track the analytics. So tracking the analytics is extremely important too, because if you're tracking analytics for your videos, you're actually going to be able to see which videos are ranking, which videos are not, and then create more of the same videos that are actually working. And that's why it's so important to actually look for the specific videos that are ranking, because sometimes having the right videos in order are going to help you out in the long run. The next thing you want to do is have closed caption in subtitles, but this is more important for if you are doing, like, let's say a short video. Short videos are very important, because if you have subtitles in your shorts, you're obviously focused on a audience that has a shorter attention span, and therefore are looking for different types of content that is very short form content. And then next, you want to collaborate with other YouTubers. So find other YouTubers in your community and start to collaborate with them. You know, talk to their audience as well as comment on their videos as well, because if you're commenting on their videos, you're gonna build, you know, these camaraderies and, you know, build different kinds of, you know, different friendships that are going to lead to them promoting you and you promoting them. So I highly recommend bouncing off different YouTubers that are within your niche. And finally, you want to use the YouTube features. So end screens and cards are extremely important. I have them as well in my videos. So if you want to actually, you know, utilize that, I highly recommend utilizing end screens and cards for the end of your videos. So we're gonna go into my actual account here, and as you can see, my videos are actually growing, as you can see. So I'm actually starting to get a lot of traction with this account, and I barely only posted. So I only posted around 20 videos on this within the entire year. So I barely post, and I was able to get, you know, quite a few subscribers. And, you know, sometimes looking at this number might throw you off. 327 isn't like a big amount. However, when you look at guys like Mr. Beast, who have channels that are in the tens of millions, their subscribers are younger, where my subscribers are more older, they're more mature, they're looking for education rather than entertainment. So when you are creating entertainment-based videos, you will have a jump in subscription rate, where if you're creating educational videos, the increase in your basically the increase in your viewership, in your subscribership, is going to be a lot less. So I'm going to just go into here, right here, and I'm going to show you my analytics. And as you can see, right now my analytics are pretty healthy, as you can see. So my videos are actually starting to, you know, gain a lot of traction. I've gained around 45 subscribers in the past 28 days, which is a huge bump in subscriber viewership. And I'll go in here and I'm gonna just show you a couple things right here. So if you don't have this already, I highly recommend investing in this. This is only about $10 a month. I am on the, basically I'm on just the regular plan right here. Basically the regular plan is literally just like the basic of basic, but it gives you enough data for you to work with. So if you are like looking for a keyword specifically, let's say you're looking for keywords. So let's say you're looking for specific keywords, like you could type in NBA and it'll give you a lot of different options for NBA. So right here you can see the green means that there's a lot of, basically there's people that are ranking very high for these specific ones right here. So NBA highlights is a highly searched one right here. And I mean, you can obviously go into a niche that is obviously not copyright bound. This niche right here is copyright bound, because as you can see, if you were to post something on here like an MBA type of you know, video, you're going to obviously get penalized with YouTube, because YouTube doesn't like people putting like unoriginal content. Like let's say you take like an MBA clip. So this might not be the best example, but if you are going for, let's say, Chat GPT 4 or ChatGPT, this has a pretty decent search rate. Or you can even go for OpenAI, which, you know, it has videos that are obviously, you know, being promoted, right? You have videos that are being promoted, but there's not a lot of competition right now. So right now, this, if you were to post content here, you have a higher chance of gaining a subscribership. So you want to go for keywords that are basically like this, right? So you want to go for keywords that are in the green. And if you are going for keywords that are, you know, AI stocks, DALL-E 3 API, you have ChatGPT 4, you know, these kind of keywords right here are very good to target because you have high search rate and you have low competition, meaning there's not a lot of people that are posting consistently on these specific topics. So if you were to come in and start posting content on here, you're more than likely to actually start to get traction. And I might actually start to post on this specific topic just to show you that there is, there is different options for you to actually get different traction and different viewership, right? So with that said, if you are actually optimizing your video, make sure that you are putting the right keywords in there. And how can you know that you're putting the right keywords? Well, right here you can see that this is getting the best viewer duration. So I'm getting pretty good viewer duration for my videos. Like if you're getting over, 35%, 20%, 10, 13%, that's pretty damn good. You know what I mean? The viewer duration on my videos are actually pretty decent. So I'm gonna click on this video right here. As you can see, I've gained over 71 subscribers from this one particular video because they enjoy this content the most. Now, if you can see right here, I've gotten a lot of impressions. I've also gotten a lot of click-through rates and 3.6 clicks, so that's pretty decent so far. So I'm actually getting a lot of traction on there. This is actually I got about around 3K on there. So the viewer duration is around 3 minutes. So I mean, it's not great, but it's better than most videos. So as you can see, people are watching this video. They are definitely engaged with this video. So they're basically watching, and that's basically it, guys. So if you want to learn more about how to optimize your videos, I suggest going to the description on the bottom there and clicking the link where I have my course available, and then you can actually learn in depth how to optimize your YouTube channel and how to grow a YouTube channel in the year 2024. So with that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed.